Welcome to the unboxing of the ZenCAM Power Box Max, the ultimate power and connectivity hub for your fleet's video and sensor systems. First, we have the power and signal cable. This is essential for connecting your Power Box Max to your system, delivering reliable power, and ensuring clear communication with all your devices. Next up is the 16-pin OBD connection cable. It provides seamless integration with your vehicle's onboard diagnostic system, making installation a breeze and ensuring top-notch connectivity. Here's the network port connection cable. This cable is designed for fast and stable network connections, ensuring that your devices stay online and functional for all your fleet's needs. Now, we have the sensor and serial connection cable. This is critical for connecting your sensors to the Power Box Max, enabling data transmission and real-time monitoring of your vehicle's performance. Next, we have the Power Box Max tapping screws. These screws are specifically designed for securing the Power Box Max in place, ensuring it stays firmly mounted during your fleet's operation. And finally, here it is, the ZenCAM Power Box Max. This compact powerhouse is the heart of your video and sensor system, delivering reliable power and connectivity to keep your fleet running smoothly. Designed for maximum efficiency and durability, the ZenCAM Power Box Max ensures that all your devices are powered, connected, and running at peak performance, no matter how demanding the job. At the back of the Power Box is where you connect the 16-pin OBD cable and your sensor and serial connection cable. And that's everything inside the ZenCAM Power Box Max. With these simple yet essential components, you'll be set up for seamless integration and optimal performance. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the enhanced performance and connectivity with your ZenCAM Power Box Max.